Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I have been on and off for last few weeks due to some other issues, but finally I'm back. So I'm making this video pre-market. This is 8:42 in the Eastern time, and some good news, some good partnership news came for PLTR. So in this video, I will talk about that particular partnership news, which is driving the price higher. Currently, the share price is up in pre-market. At the same time, I will go through about some recent partnership news, finally the institutional ownership, and also I will talk about the price action and how we can gain some benefit for long-term, medium-term, and also for day trading. So I always invite you to go to their website palantir.com and you can see what product they have, what they do, and everything. So basically this is a real-time decision. So you feed the data and you will get the decision. So it's a decision making software, you can say, in a very easy way. But I encourage you to go to their website and you can read everything. And this is like a Tesla. This is first in that kind of sector because they have a long term. People are very bullish on that particular stock. They were beaten down heavily in last few days. It came all the way from $45 to around $24, and I think the chart is also telling us it will go up. I will come back to the chart later. But first, let's go to the news. This morning it came March 11 around 7 o'clock. So Palantir and Faurecia embark on long-term strategic partnership. So what's happening? PLTR announced today it has entered into a 6-year partnership with Faurecia, one of the world's leading automotive technology companies, to accelerate its digital transformation and ambition to be CO2 neutral. Palantir Foundry was designed to help organizations integrate disparate data sources and make the best possible use of the data. So they will use the software to gain insight to their data, and also from manufacturing to purchasing, and also from engineering to finance. So what's going to happen? Palantir will use them to improve their R&D and also to reduce the CO2 emission, right? So when you are automotive industry, so basically you generate CO2. So the PLTR in general, they will use them to reduce their CO2 emission. And if you want, you can also go through the entire article. I'm trying to make it quick so that we can gain some benefit before the market opens. But basically you can see that from manufacturing to purchase, from engineering to finance, everything PLTR will be using. Also, PLTR on March 5th, another news came. That was a big deal that Palantir and AWS team up for ERP suite. What is AWS? This is Amazon Web Cloud Service, AWS. If you want, you can look at the ANW. What is ANW? What they do and everything. But just a quick one. If you look at who use AWS system, so basically you can see that the number of active users exceed 1 million. And also you can see all the big names here. If you want, you can go to MC, BMW, all the big names are here. If you want, you can go and check. But this is a very big deal. This is really a big deal. Also, we know Cathy Woods, she loves PLTR. In my previous video I talked about that. So this is just a quick graph. I can show you that how ARK has been buying PLTR. So the blue line is representing how they are increasing the share size, and the yellow line is basically the share price. So you can see once the share price started dropping from $40 range, then ARK stepped in. So the price is going down and ARK is increasing their share position. Currently, as of 10th of March, which is was yesterday, so the share price was $24 and ARK position was like 15.6 million. So you can see ARK is heavily buying because they believe in this particular technology, because this is the future. Not only ARK, if you want, you can also go to fintel.io. They also post the institutional ownership, and all the green line is basically showing you some purchase, and the red line is they have sold their position. So you can see, like, day by day, the greens, the amount of green is higher. You can see the big ones, you can see the amount of shares, the big ones, right? So if you want, you can go through Fintel website. Also, like, just what you can also skim through the green one versus the red one, which is showing that the big institution, they are coming and they are buying the stock heavily. So looking at the price action, so first of all, like in the pre-market, this is up 4.5%. So if you are doing a day trade, then this is a really a good one, because for last few days I have been doing day trade using some call option and making consistent money. And why I'm doing day trade? Because the market is so volatile. I do not want to swing anything, so I get in and get out and making some quick profit. Like as an example, yesterday I got in around I was holding I got in around here, then I got out. Same thing, you can see the previous day, like when it dipped, I got in, then I sold. So you can see like within the same day the share price moves a lot. You can see it came down all the way to 21, then it went to 24.5. so if you're playing with a call option, you can easily make quick money. So this is for day trade. If you're also doing some swing trade, let's just, if you're doing swing trade, you are holding here, the next morning it opens higher, same thing, the next morning it opens higher. Even today the morning we will be opening around this area. So even for swing trade it will work. So day trade, swing trade, and definitely long term it will work, because all the big institution, you can go to YouTube, you can see people are buying PLTR at this particular price because they believe very long term they're believing it will go to 100, but short term it can go to easily $40-50. But to me, like just looking at the chart, the $30 is really easy, because you can see the share price is coming down, then it has been consolidating around this area for some time, and now it is time to go back up. If I look at daily level RSI, you can see the RSI was around 37-40 range. It tried to stabilize and now it is going up. Same thing you can see on the MACD, the blue line came down because of the sell off. Now the blue line is curling, and soon it will go up, and you can see the red ones are decreasing. Soon the red will become green, and you can see the green is moving this way. So the share price will definitely go high, and how high it can go, short term, long term, it all depends how you want to play this one. But definitely you can see it has a good support around $23. It bounced off that 23.1 few times. Now we are trying to test the 25.8 line, and yesterday we closed around 24.75. now today we are up pre-market 25.8. I think once we cross that 25.8 mark, we can go up to 28 and eventually $30. And you see there is a gap here. The gap is always good, because when you cross that $30 mark, the stock price can go and hit around $31-32. So there is a good opportunity for going this particular share price to $30-35. So looking at the chart for day trade, swing trade, or even long term, you can see like this, the share price is now rebounding and trying to make a U-shaped recovery, right? It's U-shaped recovery. So you can play however you want. Personally, I'm playing with option. So let's look at the option very quickly. So the one I was playing previously, because when the market was really red, the share price came around $11-12. In my previous video I talked about the June expiry date, because I was not sure how long the sell-off will continue, how below it can go. So I took a June expiry date, but for last few days I'm playing with April 16th. This particular one, yesterday my day trade was using the $25 strike price. So in 285 was my premium. So today, if you want, you can play with the same thing, because 25 will be in the money and you can make some quick benefit. The delta is 54. If you want, you can choose even more deep in the money, because the delta will be higher. So $1 will give you $70 profit. So anyway, it's entirely up to you how you want to play. If you want, you can even choose the expiry date which are closer, but I think April 16 is a safe one in case it goes other way. Anyway, so the whole purpose of this particular video is to bring you that PLTR they got some really good news, which is partnership, and they have been getting partnership for consistently, and going forward they will also get more partnership news. And yesterday the House passed the pandemic relief bill, and we are expecting the president will be signing by Friday. If not Friday, then definitely weekend. So money is coming to the stock market, and I believe PLTR will go up. This will go really up. So you can play any way you want, but the whole purpose is to make some money. Anyway, my friends, if you find this information useful, and also if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm back now, so I'll be making more videos, if possible pre-market, if there is a good news during the market hour, and also during the evening. So thank you for watching this particular video. Take care, my friends, and have a great trading day. Take care. Peace.